Have you ever felt like you're juggling a million things at once, but not really getting anywhere? It's like trying to catch 10 balls with only 2 hands. Something's bound to drop. Well, today I want to share a story about a young boy named Alex who felt exactly the same way and how he discovered a superpower we all have: focus. Alex was a bright kid, full of energy and curiosity. He loved playing soccer, building elaborate Lego castles, and learning to play the guitar. The problem was, he wanted to do everything all at once. He'd kick a ball around for 5 minutes, then rush to his Legos, only to abandon them halfway through when his guitar caught his eye. His room was a graveyard of unfinished projects, and he was starting to feel frustrated. "Why can't I be good at anything?" He'd mope to his grandpa. One sunny afternoon, his grandpa, a wise old man with a twinkle in his eye, found Alex sighing in the backyard. He handed Alex a magnifying glass. "What's this for, Grandpa?" Alex asked, puzzled. "I want you to try and make a mark on this dry leaf using only the sun," his grandpa replied. Alex was skeptical. He held the magnifying glass over the leaf, but the sunlight just made a big, faint circle. Nothing happened. He moved it around, getting impatient. "It's not working," he complained. His grandpa smiled gently. "Try again," he said, "but this time hold it perfectly still. Find the one spot where the light is the brightest and tightest and don't move. Just hold it there." "So?" Alex tried again. He adjusted the glass until the sunlight converged into a tiny, brilliant dot on the leaf. He had to steady his hand, fighting the urge to fidget. Seconds felt like minutes. He focused all his attention on that single, bright point. Suddenly, a tiny wisp of smoke curled up from the leaf, followed by a small, dark burn mark. Alex gasped in amazement. "Wow, I did it!" His grandpa sat down next to him. "You see, Alex," he began, "your mind is just like this magnifying glass. When your thoughts are scattered everywhere, like that wide circle of light, you don't have enough power to make an impact. But when you gather all your attention and point it at one single thing, like you did with that dot of light, you create incredible power. That's focus." This was a light bulb moment for Alex. He finally understood. It wasn't about not having enough time or talent. It was about not using his energy effectively. From that day on, he decided to try his grandpa's method. When he wanted to practice soccer, he put his Legos and guitar away. He would set a timer and dedicate that time solely to dribbling and shooting. When he worked on his Lego castle, he turned off the TV and focused only on the bricks in front of him. Slowly but surely, things began to change. His soccer skills improved dramatically. He finished his magnificent Lego castle, complete with towers and a drawbridge. He even learned to play a whole song on his guitar without stopping. He realized that by doing one thing at a time with his full attention, he not only finished his projects, but also enjoyed the process so much more. He felt a sense of accomplishment he'd never felt before. The story of Alex and the magnifying glass is a powerful reminder for all of us. In a world filled with distractions, from social media notifications to endless to-do lists, our attention is constantly being pulled in 100 different directions. We end up feeling busy but unproductive, just like Alex with his scattered light. The secret isn't to do more, but to focus more. It's about choosing one thing and giving it your undivided attention, even if it's just for a short period. This could be studying for an exam, working on a project, having a meaningful conversation, or even just enjoying a meal. When you channel your mental energy into a single point, you unlock your true potential to learn, create, and achieve amazing things. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed and scattered, remember the magnifying glass. Take a deep breath, pick your one spot, and focus. You might be surprised by the fire you can start. Thanks for watching, and if this story resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.